Okay, bro, welcome back to the new crypto challenge, volume 3, I believe. So yeah, welcome back. And I have some important things to tell you, okay? So pay attention and leave your attention span to the highest, okay? Even though social media fried it for you. So pay attention. First, as you know from the previous videos, I am choosing random coins here on CoinMarketCap, and then we do an honest trade, how it would look like on one particular day, okay? Because as you know, due to personal reasons, I am not recording for this week. So that's why I decided to make some like backtesting sessions for you and then some little crypto challenge to trade, okay? So that's why the first coin that I wanted to trade was actually BNB and Chainlink, but on BNB we wouldn't have any good trading opportunity until 6 o'clock in the afternoon, and that is usually the time when I stop trading, because my trading session is actually from 3:30 until 6 my European time, because if I don't see any good trading opportunity in 2.5 hours, then I just leave the charts and I do my other things, okay? Because I also have personal life, okay? So on BNB, I wouldn't have any trading opportunities, so that would be a boring video for you. So I decided to take Chainlink and then the next coin, which is Canton. So I have both of them here. Like, I genuinely just prepared the pre-market session, London session, Tokyo session lines, and liquidity that hasn't been swept yet. And I didn't know what is gonna happen. I wouldn't know that, okay? And I want to honestly go through the trade, okay? So now that this introduction is over, here is our checklist. What we will do, we will wait for liquidity sweep, break of structure, inverse fair value gap, and then we would enter. Both of those things would happen on 1 minute chart, okay? And then here we have trade management. So at 0.5, we take half of the position. At 1, we move stop loss to break even. And then at 2 risk reward, we take the full profit, okay? So now let's finally start. We are on Chainlink. I know that you are bored because of so much talking, but I want to be honest and transparent with you, okay? So we are on Chainlink. Let's go to 1 minute now. Wait a second. Let's go to 1 minute and let's see what happens with our little trade, okay? So here we have market open 9:30, and what do? We sweep pre-market session low, okay? And then what happened? Let's take a look. Okay, we have a sweep. Other color. We have a sweep. Then what are we waiting for? We are waiting for, we have inversed fair value gap right now here. I mean, we have fair value gap that we inversed after the sweep, okay? So we have inversed fair value gap. Then what do we have? We have break of structure right now here with this white candle, okay? So what we have to do now is enter. How do we enter? We enter here. We put our stop loss below that low, okay? Wait, let me put my stop loss. We have the stop loss here, and what do? We target 0.5. It's right now here, okay? So we closed half of the position. We also entered. We closed half of the position, and now at 1 risk reward, we move stop loss to break even, okay? So where is then 1 risk reward? Right now here. What do? We move our stop loss to break even, okay? And then what happened? The price, stop loss to break even, and then we target 2 risk reward, okay? So where is it? More or less here. And then what happened? The price came down, stopped us out. So that would have been more or less 0.25 in profit, okay? So then you can see the price completely escalated and hit our profit, okay? So that would have been a winning trade on, sorry for that. That would have been a winning trade on Chainlink, okay? So now we go to Canton. we have the same structure. Okay, we are on 5 minutes. So let's go to, let's delete all of this. Let's go to 1 minute, and then let's see what happens after liquidity sweep. Where is New York session? Okay, so what do we have here? New York session opened 9:30. The price edged here pre-market session high, and then it went lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. Shit. Okay, it swept the low. Great. What can we do? What can we do? So we have, what do we have? We have liquidity sweep. Now we wait for break of structure and inverse fair value gap to happen. Okay, wait, I'm gonna close this. We have, shit, we have here fair value gap that got inversed. We have another fair value gap here that got inversed as well. Okay, and then what do we have? Here we also have then the most recent high and break of structure after the liquidity sweep. Okay, so we inverse the two fair value gaps, we have break of structure. So what can we do now? We can enter. Okay, boom, here we enter. We put our stop loss here below. Stop loss, it's below. Okay, and what do we do now? We target 0.5 risk reward. Where do we have it? More or less here. Okay, we target, we close half of the position, so we are already 0.25 in plus. Okay, and then what happens afterwards? At one risk reward here, we move our stop loss to break even. Shit, where is it? No, come on. Like this. Okay, and then so break even, and now we wait for 2 risk reward. Here it is. Okay, so what would happen? The price would tease you, and then boom, closure. Okay, so this would have been another 0.25 in plus. Okay, so another winning trade. Altogether we would have 0.5 risk reward in profit. Okay, it's that simple, bro. It's that simple. Okay, so another challenge passed. Now what can we do for the next day? For the next video, we can close our trade on 1 risk reward ratio, or what can we do is we can take half of the position out on 0.5, I mean on 1 risk reward, and then just leave the stop loss where it is. Okay, and then after that wait for 2 risk reward ratio, and then after that like we move our stop loss to break even. I don't know, I'm gonna play a little bit with it. I'm gonna see what we do for tomorrow, but this is what happened. Okay, now I also, as always, invite you to join my Discord server. We have trading, daily bias, trading breakdowns, we have self-improvement. Okay, because why? Our goal is to become better traders and stronger men. So feel free to join for free on Discord. I'm not selling anything. And also feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because yeah, I just want to show you my journey and how logical and simple trading actually is. So do the hard work, bro, and see you on top of the world.